Hello everyone, it's Don once again with another look at the construction going on here in the villages. Our first stop is the new Starbucks being built on the north side of 466A at the Trailwinds Plaza. This new Starbucks is located behind Burger King and right in front of the new Publix that was just opened up on 466A. This is the Wilds at Tradewinds. This is about 400 apartments that are being built. That's the village of Grove just behind it. In this direction, that's the village of St. James. That's the new Publix off in the distance, and that's Lowe's, both on 466A. And off in the far distance is Pinellas Plaza. This is looking north from 466A near Pinellas Plaza. This is the Beaumont development. These here are townhomes, and that's Pinellas Plaza. This is the new car wash that's being built. Pinellas Plaza once again. Let's zip on down to the 7-Eleven. They're still working on finishing the gas pumps here at this 7-Eleven, but it appears to be very close to being open soon. Even the car wash has been fitted out with all its equipment. This is the new Street of Dreams building being built in Brownwood. You can see the drain lines coming up out of the ground in the courtyard. This is the street side view of the Street of Dreams building. The center of the building seems to have some large room with a curved roof that can be seen through this window. Work on replacing the bridge on the fourth hole of the Magnolia golf course has started. All the railing from the bridge has been removed, and you can see at both ends they've started tearing up the decking. This is the north side of the Water Lily Bridge. This ramp is coming along very quickly. There's always a couple of people here watching what's going on, and that's pretty cool. It's good to watch, but please, for your own safety, stay out of the construction area. Don't try and go up on the bridge. It's not safe yet. It is going to be quite a beautiful area. You can see this is the ramp that leads to the traffic circle. This entrance into the tunnel is a little different from what we normally see in the villages. Normally it's a sharp left or right-handed turn to get into the tunnel, just like it is on the exit side. This is the south side ramp of the Water Lily Bridge. As you can see, they've got the decking up over the utility easement. They've started work on the last section of the ramp that goes down to ground level. As I said before, please don't go up on the bridge. It's not safe. Even though it looks like you can get up there safely, it really isn't worth the risk. You would also be trespassing on private property at this point. Let's take a look at the decking going in. I thought about going under the bridge, but it wasn't worth risking the drone over. We'll take another look across the turnpike at the other side of the bridge. This is the area under construction north of DeLuna. I'm traveling at about 45 miles an hour and about 100 feet in this video. I was having a little bit of fun this day. You can see all the dirt being staged for the final grading of the property. Based on the state of the work we see right here and the permitting I've seen done, this area is on the fast track for being next, and not the area from the DeLuna Bridge to Brownwood. I wouldn't be surprised to see Marsh Bend Trail paved from DeLuna all the way up to US 301 by the end of summer. But I wouldn't expect it to be open for traffic until sometime late this year. This is heading south once again back towards the village of DeLuna. Here we have the new village's golf cart store in Magnolia Plaza. Magnolia Plaza appears to be just about done now. Some of the stores are starting to open. Publix is due to be open early in March. Since Magnolia Plaza is almost done, this will probably be the last time I shoot any video of it. This is the village of Hammock at Fenney, near the Red Fox and Gray Fox golf courses. The residential streets are going in, so it won't be too much longer until houses start being built in this area. The light area is commercial property that's scheduled to be going in at the intersection of US 301 and Warm Springs Avenue. I saw originally some plans for a gas station, but they've since disappeared, as did my post about it on Talk of the Villages. I'm not sure exactly what happened with it. We're turned south now and we'll head down to the bottom of Hammock at Fenney. The parallel trenches you see here are for the storm drains being installed on both sides of a street. The Red Fox and Gray Fox golf courses are on the left. The light blue line along the ground on the left side of the screen is the water main getting ready to be installed. Time for a little more fun with the drone. This is the moat that circles Linden Isle. There was a lot of questions late last year about this path here and the work going on up at the corner of Warm Springs Avenue and the Turnpike. This is a cleanout station for the gas pipeline that's buried along the turnpike. I didn't go over it because that would be illegal in the state of Florida because it's considered critical infrastructure, and I can't do that with a drone. This is another view of the village of Linden and Linden Isle. So now we're traveling north along Megacin Road and the Turnpike on the left, traveling towards Warm Springs Avenue. This is the village of Hawkins, and as you can see, it's still under construction, at least these subdivisions are. Coming up on the left is the water treatment plant, and just beyond the water treatment plant is the commercial areas that will border Warm Springs Avenue on the south. As I rotate the drone to the right, you'll see a large wetlands area that's here in the village of Hawkins, and just beyond it, you see the village of Bradford. Along the wetlands area, you can see more walking paths being built. More homes will soon be under construction in this area. This is the pond on the south side of St. Catherine's Loop and Megacin Road. I caught this dump truck being filled. They're removing all the excess dirt from the bottom of the pond. They had just put the liner in earlier this week. Now they cover it with dirt and they're pulling out the excess. These off-road dump trucks are incredibly powerful. The truck itself weighs about 50 tons, and they're going to put about 30 tons of dirt in the back end of it. And watch how quickly and easily it gets up this grade. This is a 25% grade. A 6 or 7% grade on the interstate is a pretty steep grade, and most tractor trailers have a very difficult time with these grades. This truck is going to go up a 25% grade from a dead stop with about 80 tons of load and make nothing of it. It's pretty amazing how powerful these trucks are. Let's take a quick look at the Sawgrass Grove recreation area. The first building coming up is McCrady's. It's a bar and grill being built, and just beyond that is the farmer's market. And we'll turn to the left here and we'll take a quick look at the Ezeal Recreation Center. We'll gain a little altitude now and look at the east end of St. Catherine. I do these videos for fun and to help inform people of what's going on here in the villages. The real business, though, of Wingnut Productions is new home construction photography. If you're building a new home and you're going to be out of state, I go in, I provide you with pictures on a weekly basis, and you get to see how your home is progressing. If you're interested in this, please take a look at the information contained in the description of this video and contact me, and we can arrange for videos and photos of your home. This is the Southern Oaks Golf Course. It's under construction and coming along very quickly. On the left side of Bexley Trail is the Laurel Oak 9, and on the right side is the Live Oak 9. Both courses are supposed to have 3 par 4s, 3 par 5s, and 3 par 3s. That's the Bexley Bridge coming up ahead. It'll soon be replaced by the Southern Oaks bridges. As we turn to the right, you can see another pond being filled. You can see the rubber bladder, and already they're backfilling the dirt. The turnpike is on the left, heading north, and this is the village of Hawkins. As we turn right, we'll be going over the village of Case and Hammock. This is the same pond we saw the truck being loaded. It's just about done in this stage. I went by it this morning and it was already being filled with water. We're going to take another look at the village of St. Catherine. This is on the northern side of St. Catherine, where they've already started many homes. On the right is the new cottage homes that just opened up for sale. just about all these view lots along the ponds have already been bought up. I'm sure there'll be more coming though in the very near future. The walking and biking paths that start out in the village of Chitty Chatty continue all the way up here along the wooded side of these retention ponds. The homes up ahead aren't up for sale yet, but the neighborhoods are getting very close, so we should see them pretty soon come on the market. We'll take another quick trip over the Sawgrass Grove area and take another look at the Clifton Cove putting course. We're just about at the end of this update. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, as always, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get notifications on when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching once again. I'm Don Wiley.